One of the features that Google Drive has built in is that we can install it on our hard drive. The advantage that way is we have a directory within our computer that will automatically back up our files to the web and vice versa. So if we put something new on the cloud, it will be on our computer. If we put something new on our computer, it will go to the cloud. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and we want to Google download Google Drive. So what we're going to see is we have this item right here. We're going to click on it so we can download Google Drive. Now what it's called Backup and Sync. So if we go down this page here and we click on download, we'll agree to the download and it will download for us. So once it's done, we're going to take this file here and we're going to double click it. So what we see is we start to see these loading screens here. I'm going to pause till this is ready. At this point, when the installation is completed, you're going to get a screen saying you have to restart your computer before using Backup and Sync. So I'm going to hit pause and do that right now. Now that my computer has been restarted, I'm going to click on the Start menu and you'll see that this pops up. So now that I've rebooted my computer, I want to type in Backup and Sync. So when this comes up, I'll click here and we're going to be able to load it up. We're going to have it go through and its setup for the first time. So the first time we run this, we hit Get Started here, and it's going to make us sign in. So we're going to sign in with our HDSB account and put in our password accordingly. Now once we've signed in, we need to choose which folders we want to use. We may not necessarily have enough hard drive space to have all the files, so we have to make some choices. So we're going to click on Got It. The first step here asks us what files from our computer do we want on the internet. Now in this particular case, I don't want any of my files from my computer on the internet, so I'm going to choose to uncheck all those. When I'm done that, I'm going to hit Next. And this is where it's going to sync files from my drive on Google Drive to the computer. So I'll click on Got It. Now in my particular case, I have a 778 gigs worth of files. You may not want to, and you can see I have a warning in this case that says I don't have enough hard drive space for all these things. So I can take a look at my folders here and I can say that I don't want all these directories. So I can uncheck them. And if I uncheck them, they won't be on my hard drive. So once I've picked everything that I'd like to have on there, I can simply hit Start and it will start to upload for me. So I click on the Start key and in the background it's going to start doing this. So now what you'll see what happens is we now have within our directory under Favorites, we're going to have a directory called Google Drive. And if we don't see it come up automatically, we can simply go to C, we can go to Users, find your own name here, and look up Google Drive. Now although it's empty right now, I'm going to hit pause and when I come back, it will be full. If you give it enough time, the files will end up on your hard drive.